Good morning, students. This is the second video session of question answer. In the first video session, you must be remembering I discussed the question answers from your exercise, and there are some more questions that you must know the answer of these questions. This is of very importance, and so I am going to discuss in this part some more questions that will help you to understand the chapter in a better way. So I welcome you once again in second video session, the master artist. As you remember very well, this is the sixth question in that series. In this question, let us see what is here, extract from the book, from the chapter, and on basis of that extract you have been given some questions. He gazed upon that 20-foot tall wall and thought of all that space, such a wonderful space, to give his imagination wings. What does this third line tell about the artist? We must understand first here the statement, the extract that is taken from the story. What does the line tell you? So that you can answer. He gazed upon the 20-foot tall wall and thought of all that space, such a wonderful space, to give his imagination wings. What does this line tell about the artist? This line expresses about the artist that he was very happy to get so much space, 20-foot tall wall, so that he could make a painting of his dream. When Bartoli took him here, the artist, when Bartoli took the artist to his dining hall and showed him the long wall that was of 20-foot tall, artist was very happy and thought himself it was enough space, big space, to give his imagination wings, means to fulfill all his dreams of the artistic view, artistic experience on that space, sufficient space. He had never got so much space in his life to paint. At the same time, he was not free to paint any kind of portrait or any kind of painting, because he was working under an union of professional artists, and there were some certain norms, codes, which all the artists had to follow. So under the guild, he could not do or paint any kind of such painting which he liked of his own kind. And this was the time when he got so much space to paint, to make a painting, and that too according to his own desire, according to his own dream. He became very happy. During his tenure is here, all his working period as an artist. So during his tenure of his work, he could not make any painting or art piece what he desired, what he dreamt. So he was very much happy. The guild did not allow him to do so. As I told you, the guild, that was an organization, professional artists, art and crafts organization, who did not allow him to do or paint anything that the artist liked. So when he got freedom there, he thought that he would break free the restraints, all the restrictions that was given, imposed to the artist. He would break that all restraints and put his own art and imagination. In this way, he was going to fulfill his own dream in that painting. Why did the artist draw a big curtain to cover the wall? The artist drew a big curtain which covered the whole wall on which he was asked to make the portrait. He did not want anybody to see it, because the painting he was going to make was not the way Bartoli liked. He was going to make the painting of his own dream, of his own desire, of his own artistic desire. And that's why he didn't want that anybody could come and see the painting before it was complete. He had protested. It was very much clear. Okay. He had protested. Bartoli had protested if he had seen the making of his painting. And that's why he drew the big wall curtain, so that the curtain could cover the whole wall. Okay. Let us see now. Next question. How did the artist assure Bartoli that he was putting his best effort? The artist assured Bartoli that he was putting his best effort. How? In what way? In which words? When being asked by Bartoli how the painting was going on, every time Bartoli was coming in between after some months to see what development had taken in his painting, the artist assured him every time when he came that it was going along nicely. The painting was being made so nicely. Along with his words, Bartoli could hear the strange sounds of swooshing, clanking, and slapping. He told that only beyond fresco would need 4 coats of lime plaster that he was using in the painting. So he assured him that the painting he was making of Bartoli was of great quality, would be really very fascinating, very wonderful, because all the efforts he was making to make it excellent, he explained to him, to assure him. Question that is next is, how absurd, how disgusting, what does this mean? These were the words, this was the sentence Bartoli told to the artist. What does this tell about Bartoli's state of mind? When Bartoli told these words, how absurd, how disgusting, what does this mean? So what does this tell about Bartoli's state of mind? When Bartoli saw his painting, he was shocked. He couldn't understand anything about the painting. He wanted his portrait of that time, what was drawn that time. But there was nothing like such in that painting, which was drawn by the artist. He could not see his own painting, his own portrait. So he became very irritated and told these words. He told these words, Bartoli told these words when he became very irritated, very annoyed, very angry. He couldn't like the painting, not a bit. Question that is next to you. What kind of painting had the artist made? Painting was made, Bartoli couldn't like it. Why didn't he like it? What was in the painting that Bartoli didn't like? That is the question. The artist had made cubist expression. He had put the cubist expression, which was a form of modern art. And it's a very complicated art. Modern art is very complicated and is not easily here understood by the audience. So it contains modern art which uses geometric shapes on it. That painting here is here made in the shapes of geometry. This art was made famous by Pablo Picasso. He was a great artist, great painter. So this art was made famous by Pablo Picasso in the early 20th century. In fact, the artist had made a painting of 5 centuries earlier. This painting that the artist had made was 500s earlier, too earlier. That came into being, which became famous after 500 years later, what the artist had made. That was the reason that the patron Bartoli couldn't understand what the painting contained, what the painting expressed. He even didn't find that the painting was his or something else. And that's why he became angry. So these were some of the questions that you must write in your copy. Students, you are supposed to write these questions. Some more I will discuss. I have framed for you to ask in the question in the class. I will ask you in the class. We will discuss this one, and then I will even discuss the grammatical part, objective type questions that your exercise is containing in grammar and usage, in words in use. That is also based on some grammatical practice. So till then, students, please be healthy, be aware. Thank you, student, being the part of this video. Thank you.